Good morning, children. This is Tarangini. Welcome back to today's EVS class. How are you all, children? Let us start today's session. Children, today I'm going to teach you lesson number 4, our clothes. Lesson number 4, our clothes. Here one boy is there, one girl is there. What this boy is saying, we'll read here now. Charu is looking smart. What is saying? Charu is looking smart. She's wearing a beautiful dress. She's going to a party. Charu wears clothes according to the weather and seasons. He's saying Charu wears clothes according to the weather and seasons. Okay? So I'll explain you in this lesson. Okay, why he's saying like that. Okay, children? Children, before going to the lesson, I want to ask you one question. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? See, here so many clothes are there. We are wearing different clothes every day. Yes or no? So why do we wear clothes? I'll tell you. We wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and wind. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and wind. Clothes also protect us from dust and dirt also. Clothes also protect us from dust and dirt also. They also make us look smart. Clothes make us look smart. If we wear good, nice dress, we look smart, yes or no? So they also make us look smart. Children, I want to ask one question. How did people cover themselves long ago? In long ago, no clothes are there. Before invention of the clothes, how did the people cover themselves? Anyone can say? I'll explain you. Listen carefully. Again, I'm asking, how did people cover themselves long ago? Long ago, people covered themselves with leaves and skin of animals. Long ago, people covered themselves with leaves and skin of animals because on that there is no clothes. Okay, that's why early man covered themselves with leaves and skin of animals. Children, we wear different clothes in different seasons. Yes or no? We wear different clothes in different seasons. In different seasons, we wear different kinds of clothes because in different seasons the weather is different. Understand this sentence, children? In different seasons, we wear different kinds of clothes. For example, in summer season, we wear cotton clothes. Winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Like that. Okay, in different seasons, we wear different kinds of clothes. Okay, in summer season, can you wear woolen clothes? In winter season, can you wear plastic clothes? No, we can't wear because in different seasons the weather is different. Understand the sentence, children. In different seasons, we wear different kinds of clothes because in different seasons the weather is different and we wear clothes according to the weather. Depend upon the weather, we wear the clothes. Understand, children? Again, I'm saying in different seasons we wear different kinds of clothes. Different seasons we wear different kinds of clothes because in different seasons the weather is different. And try to understand, in summer season the weather is very hot, in winter season the weather is very cool, yes or no? In rainy season also the weather is very cold, like that. In different seasons the weather is different. So and we wear clothes according to the weather. We wear in summer season very hot, that's why we wear cotton clothes. In winter season the weather is very cool, on the time we wear woolen clothes, yes or no? So try to understand this question sentence, children. In different seasons we wear different kinds of clothes because in different seasons the weather is different and we wear clothes according to the weather. Okay, summer, winter, and rainy seasons are the three main seasons in India. In India, we have summer, winter, and rainy. Three main seasons we have in India. Summer, winter, and rainy seasons are the three main seasons in children. Summer season. Now we learn in summer season what type of clothes we will wear. Okay, this summer is very hot. See this picture. Summer season is very hot season na. See, in summer season we wear cotton clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. These clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool in hot summer season. Cotton clothes keep us cool in hot summer season. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get this cotton from Where we are getting this cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant. Okay, children, understand these points. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. We can't wear raincoats. We can't wear woolen clothes. In summer season we can wear only cotton clothes. These clothes keep us cool. These cotton clothes keep us cool because on the time weather is very hot na. So on that time if we wear cotton clothes, these cotton clothes keep us cool in hot summer season. These cotton clothes keep us cool in hot summer season. We get cotton from cotton plant. We will get, where we are getting this cotton, children? We get cotton from cotton plant. How we are getting, I'll explain you. Listen carefully. Okay, children? Children, I want to ask you one thing. How is cotton made? Anyone can say? I'll explain you. Listen carefully. Okay? This information is no need for you, but I want to tell you to everything. My children will have to learn everything. Keep your concentration here. Listen the video carefully, children. Okay? Cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton is a natural soft fiber that grows with the seeds of the cotton plant. Cotton is a natural soft fiber that grows with the seeds of the cotton plant. Children, this is cotton plant. This is cotton plant. Okay, children, this is cotton plant. Okay, what they will do, children? People collect the cotton fiber from the cotton plant. This is cotton fiber. People will collect the cotton fiber like this. Okay, so what they will do, children? This is cotton plant. See this picture? This is cotton plant. We cannot use directly. So what they will, children? What they will do, children? People, okay, collect the cotton fiber. They will gather the cotton fiber like this. Okay, it can be spun into cotton thread. What they will do? They will use some machines and they will spun into cotton thread. Okay, this cotton fiber they will spun into cotton thread using some machines. Okay, okay, children. After that, what they will do? With that cotton thread, they can make into clothes. They can make clothes with that cotton thread. They will make clothes, cotton clothes. Okay, children. First, I want to say again, cotton is a soft, natural fiber that grows with the seeds of the cotton plant. This is cotton plant. See, cotton fiber is growing. Yes or no? See, people what they will do first? They will separate the cotton fiber like this. They will gather the cotton fiber like this from cotton plant. Okay, see, from the cotton plant they'll gather the cotton fiber like this. After that, using some machines, okay, they can spun into cotton thread. Okay, after the cotton fiber is gathered from the plant, it can be spun into cotton thread. With that cotton fiber, using some machines, they will make cotton thread. Okay, with that cotton thread, they will make clothes, cotton clothes. With that cotton thread, they will make cotton clothes. This is the process, children. In that way, they are making cotton clothes. First, they will collect the cotton fiber from cotton plants like this. After that, using some machines, they can be spun into cotton thread. Okay, they can spun that cotton fiber into cotton thread. Okay, using that thread, they make the cotton clothes. Okay, children, did you understand? Children, I want to ask one question again. Why should we wear only cotton clothes in summer season? Why should we wear only cotton clothes in summer season? I'll explain you. Listen carefully. I said already, cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton is a natural fiber and known as king of fibers. We are calling cotton is a king of fibers. Okay, it is naturally absorbent, breathable, and soft. Cotton is naturally absorbent, breathable, and soft. Why I'm saying like this, I'll explain you. Children, we sweat more in summer season. Yes or no? In summer season, we sweat more because weather is very hot. Okay, we sweat more on that time. Yes or no? But cotton absorbs that sweat from the body. Cotton, what it will do? Cotton absorbs sweat from the body. Cotton clothes absorb that sweat from the body. Again, I'm saying, children, we sweat more in the summer season. Okay, because of the hot weather. Okay, continuously we are drinking much water. So what we'll do? We get sweating. So we sweat more in summer season. If you wear cotton clothes, that cotton clothes absorb that sweat from the body. That cotton clothes absorb that sweat from the body. For example, if you wear woolen clothes, that woolen clothes can't absorb that sweat. Can we wear woolen clothes in that summer season? It's impossible. Can't wear. Yes or no? Cotton absorbs sweat from the body. The cotton clothes keep us cool. And that's why we are wearing cotton clothes in summer season. Again, I'm saying cotton clothes. Why cotton clothes absorbing the sweat? I'll explain you. Cotton clothes allow the air to pass through them easily. Again, listen carefully, children. You can understand. Cotton clothes allow the air to pass through them easily. And cotton is a good absorber of water. Where I said already, we sweat more. So, what the cotton is a good absorber, and what it will do, it will absorb the sweat. Okay, that cotton clothes absorb that sweat, hence, it will absorb more sweat during summer. That's why we are wearing cotton clothes in summer season. Understand this point again and again. Listen this video, children. Each and every point is important. You should listen. Try to understand. Okay, cotton clothes allow the air to pass through them easily. Cotton clothes allow the air to pass through them easily. Cotton is a good absorber. Cotton is a good absorber water. Because we are sweating, and some more in summer season. So I'm saying cotton is a good absorber. Hence, it will absorb more sweat during summer. So it is absorbing more sweat from our body. So we feel comfortable, feel cool. So we are wearing cotton clothes in summer season. Okay, children, did you understand? Cotton clothes allow the air to pass through them easily. Okay, cotton is a good absorber. I see here it is natural absorbent. I said already. Cotton is a good absorber of water. So hence it will absorb more sweat during summer. So in summer, if you wear cotton clothes, that cotton clothes absorb that sweat, because in summer season we sweat more because of the hot weather. Okay, so if you wear cotton clothes, that cotton clothes absorb that sweat. Okay, so that cotton clothes also keep our body cool. That's why we are wearing cotton clothes in summer. Okay, children. Children, I'm going to give you an activity today. Okay, today's activity: draw the pictures of summer clothes, write their names. Draw the pictures of summer clothes and write their names. Example, I'm saying draw cotton frock, cotton pant. Okay, draw frock, cotton pant. Two pictures you can draw. Draw the pictures. Any two pictures you can draw. Understand, children? You can draw cotton frock, cotton pant. Okay, draw neatly. Okay, send to me. Okay, children. Thank you.